So let's see the China grass recipe. Now here I have a packet of instant China grass powder, about 100 grams. You can use any brand. This is the vanilla flavor, and this is half a liter of milk, that is 500 ml. Now I'm going to boil this milk on a low to medium flame. And once the milk starts to boil, you're going to add this China grass powder and you're going to mix it really well till all of the powder dissolves in the milk. This should take you about 5 minutes, and the milk starts to thicken almost instantly. So keep stirring till everything dissolves. And after that, just pour them into small bowls like this. Or if you want, you can put it into one big bowl. And now we just have to refrigerate this for 10 minutes. So this is a real good recipe if you have a surprise guest, or you just want to make something really quick. And it's all ready. Now all you have to do is just garnish it with some chopped up nuts. Now I'm using chopped up almonds. And you can keep it in the refrigerator, and when you're ready to serve it, just serve it. It's so delicious and it gets ready so quickly.
I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshatas Recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye, and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.